Some people work for a company who don't speak their native language. TextAid can be a real help with this. You can translate text into a different language so that you can read it more easily and understand it too. So to do that, all you do is click on the Translate button. So here I have some English text, click Translate, choose the language, and choose Norwegian, Translate. It now has straight away changed it to the Norwegian voice, and also spell checking and word lookup will also be in Norwegian, so I can now listen to it.
Hvordan være interessant? Mange av oss ønsker å være mer interessante mennesker.
There it is, reading with a nice natural Norwegian voice. If I'm not sure of the meaning of a word, I can select it and look it up online, listen to it, or look at a definition. That definition will also be in Norwegian. To change it back, just click Revert Translation. You can also do that from a different language. I've got some Dutch here with a Dutch voice. And if I wanted to translate that text into English, I just click Translate, translate to British English. And now it's in English. I can listen.
Check with this manual whether you meet the conditions to apply for a Dutch driving license.
So there we are. It's reading in English now, and I can understand it much more easily. So that's the Translate button in TextAid.